Food purpose prep time. One of my favorites, chicken thighs. Skinless, there's actually a lot less fat in them. Two different ways of cooking it, and you're gonna see two different ways to pair up with a different energy source. Similar to my taco meat, I use garlic salt, I use some chili powder, and I also like topping off with mozzarella steak spice for a little bit more bite. Second one for the salad, I use Italian seasoning, some salt, and just some extra virgin olive oil. Baking it at 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes. So this many chicken thighs alone would be 58% protein. We actually have room for energy. So you notice here that it balances out right near 40%, and I used oil as the salad dressing as oil as my form of energy. Same with quinoa, it's actually gonna have its own protein, so I actually lowered the amount of chicken thighs, and again we get that 40% balance. So you see how using the neutral meats, we're able to actually add just more variety within our diet because we get to add these alternative energy sources for delicious meals.